everyone, I'm T.
And I'm Jerry.
And we're here to tell you about our new oral expressions conversation workshop.
My class will be from 8 to 10 in the mornings, only on Fridays.
Same with mine on Fridays from 5 to 7 p.m. You can find the link at the website for this new workshop and practice those expressions and vocabulary words and things that you've learned from the levels 6 through 12 is where we're accepting.
Also, come to the classes because it'll give you a lot of confidence in your English speaking. Think time that you don't have maybe in your regular classroom, your level. Come with us and we'll play games, and we'll also be working on the grammar and making it a real life situation.
We can have fun and improve our speaking skills.
We look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you soon.